Okay, so once you have your SketchUp file complete and ready to send to me, okay, the thing you are going to do is you're going to go up to the top left-hand corner where these three lines are, and you're going to select download. Okay, and once you select download, it's going to prompt you to select what version of SketchUp. So I would select 2020. 2021 should work for me on my end, but select 2020 just to play it safe, and then you're going to click OK. Okay, so then once you've done that, it's going to go into your downloaded files. At least that's what it does on my computer. So whenever you save something from the internet, wherever that file is usually saved on your computer is where you will retrieve it. So if I go to my folder here and I go to my downloaded folder, it is right here. Okay, and again, just to make sure it's an SKP file, P as in Paul, not B as in bear. So keep that in consideration. So then when you go to D2L to submit me your final FSE package, this is one of the files that you will send me, is your SketchUp working file.